Alright friends, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's Friday. It's a cold, wet day here in Tennessee. As usual, it's rained every day for the past 2-3 months, guys. I got a definition pulled up here, and I don't get good reception up here at the Sawmill, so I'm going to read this really fast before the internet signal goes away. This is the textbook definition of spalted wood, guys. Here we go. Spalted wood is any wood that has begun to decay or rot as a result of a specific range of airborne fungus. It is created when white rot fungus begins growing within a piece of log, a piece of wood or log. When the fungus begins to grow within the wood, the process is referred to as spalting. Now, my experience is spalting takes about at least 1 to 2 years to form properly in timber. And it's kind of hard to judge because if you got something like maple, which is what's in the sawmill right here, you know, you gotta let it sit for a little while. But if you let it sit too long, it's gonna rot all the way through and just crumble up. That's happened to me a few times. I let some maple sit one time for almost 3 years. When I sawmilled it, it just broke down every time I made a slab. It was a mess. It was a mess, I'll tell you. But this right here, I think we're gonna be in good shape. I got this logged about 2 years ago with the intentions on letting it spalt, so I anchor sealed both ends, and I threw it in the back of the pile and forgot about it. And I actually really did forget about it. I was moving some logs around today with that new grapple, and I actually saw it, so I thought I want to grab it and bring it up to the sawmill because it's going on 2.5 years now, actually, come to think of it. So October, yeah, about 2.5 years now. We're going to saw this up at an unknown dimension because I don't know what I'm going to be dealing with here. It's not a very big log. It's about 8 feet long. The diameter's not really a good size for making really big live edge tables. It's only 18 inches. So I'm just not decided yet. I'm not sure. We'll decide here in a few minutes when we open it up. I'm just not sure right now what we're going to do on it. Alright friends, stick here with me. The rain's blowing in and it's getting colder, but I'll stick it out if you guys hang in there with me and we'll get this maple knocked out. And after this one is done, I got a really nice one coming up next, guys. So stick here with me. Not in this video though, the next video. You'll like it though, trust me, it's gonna be good. two things here, and then we'll take a look at these slabs. I cut 3 so far. The first one, not too great, a lot of bark on it. The second one is pretty good. This one right here, fantastic. So the first thing is I'm sawing these at 8/4. If you're not familiar with that term, that's 2 inches on the thickness, and we should get about 3 more slabs out of this timber that's left up here on the log deck. The second thing is, friends, some of you people may have noticed when I put the timber up here, there's a crotch on the far end down here, or a fork in the tree, same thing. And the reason I didn't mention anything is because most of the time when I saw maple, if there's a crotch on the end, it's just kind of, you know, nothing really to report. You know, there's no figure going on, nothing like that. But I'm happy to report tonight, I was totally wrong about it. The figure down here at the fork of this timber is really nice, guys. We may throw water on it. So we'll find some water somewhere. Heck, I got coffee. We'll throw coffee on it. We'll do something here because I want you guys to see this, you know, the crotch figure right here on the end of this maple. It's really nice, guys. Let's take a look at this stuff. Hang in there with me. Hey, this is the first one I was just talking about with a lot of bark on it. It's still a really nice piece. It's just really narrow right there, about 10 inches, but there's a ton of spalting going on there, guys. Look at that. All kinds of stuff going on in this timber. These are really nice right here. And check out the top. That is really nice right there. And the other good thing about it, nice and solid right there. Good deal.